Hi all, welcome to another video of Algo Stock Market Insights. So today we are going to discuss about stock prediction of Manappuram for November and December 2021 using some machine learning algorithms. So this is our disclaimer. So these are the contents we are going to discuss today. First we will do the fundamental analysis of the company, then we will do like what our machine learning algorithm predicting for Manappuram for next few weeks or few months. Then we will do manual analysis of Manappuram using some charts, OE and FIA and DIA data. So this is the introduction to Manappuram. So as you know, like Manappuram is a mid-cap company with a 15,000 crore, and its current price is around 180, and its all-time high was around 224, and its PE is around 8.8, which is a very good one. Even it's compared to its peers like Muthoot Finance and all, it is just half of that one, and Manappuram do pay a very good dividend over the years, and we can see like Manappuram is mainly dealing with its gold finance and other financing, so personal finance, etc. And we can see like gold price is keep on increasing by from October onwards. So this is the quarterly results. So we can see like some quarters it is flat, but over the years it is revenues keep on improving, and profit also is improved for the past few quarters. Profit before and after tax also improved over quarters, and we can see like revenue also is keep on improving year by year, and profit before tax and after tax, etc. is keep on improving over the years, and earnings per share also is keep on improving over the years. So we can see like Manappuram is a very good company for long term and short term investments. So this is the data we have taken into algorithm. We have taken data from 2015 Jan 1st onward till 2021 November 18th. So from the graph we can see like Manappuram is in a very good uptrend for past 5 to 7 years. So this is our machine learning algorithm predicted for Manappuram for next few weeks or months. So as per algorithm, from the current level, there might be some drop might happen, and then there will be a consolidation around 170 or 175, 176. Then algorithm is expecting from there will be a reversal. So even this particular earlier resistance also we can see like it might act as a support in future, and there might be a consolidation and a reversal. This is the large one. So here we can see like this particular resistance might act as a support around 170 or 175 or 176, or Manappuram may get a support in this particular trend line, and we can set then we are expecting a reversal from this particular point, and we can take the first target around 200, and second target we can set around 220, because there might be a chance of some double top or head and shoulders pattern created in this particular point, and if these are closed, then we can set our next target as 230. So either risk traders can enter around 170, 175 and try to book a partial profit in uh, part by part, or we can wait for some consolidation here, and there might be a narrow channel, and there might be a breakout and a good rally we can expect, like as it is done in the previous cases. So this is the candlesticks daily candlesticks chart we have taken from Chartlink. So here also we can see like when Manappuram 10 moving average closed, 20 moving average, and it is as price is closed above 10 moving average, there is a very good rally is happening. So currently it might get a support in this particular trend line like around 170, 175, and we are expecting some narrow channel as it is created earlier. Some narrow channel might be created, and there might be a breakout and a reversal. So first target we can set around this one 200, and second target as 220, and as this closed we can set a third target around 230. So this is a weekly chart. So here also we can see like when Manappuram price is closing above its previous 2 weeks high, there is a very good movement. So currently this particular week, since as it touched 220, there was a high profit booking happen, and this week candle is fully red. So we are expecting some more correction till some around 170, 175, and then we are expecting some consolidation and reversal. So as it grows, it's a previous 2 weeks high. We can enter. Safe trader can enter there, or risk traders can enter around 170, and we can expect some short-term target as 200, 220, and 230. So this is OI data we have taken for Nifty from Opstra for 18th November. So here we can see like Nifty is facing some higher resistance around 18,000, 18,250, 500, etc. Because call option sell is so much higher than put option sell. But for monthly expiry like 25th November, it's almost neutral. Put option sell and call option sell is almost neutral, but there is some higher resistance around 18,000 and 18,250 and 18,500. And this is OI data we have taken for Manappuram for this month end expiry. So here also we can see like around 200 there are high resistance, 200, 210 and 220. So currently we can expect some support around 170, and as this support came down and as there is a narrow channel breakdown is happening, then we can enter. So this is a FIA and DA activity we have taken from Opstra. So in October there was a huge sell was happened as the Nifty touches all-time high as 18,600, and after that the sell is reduced and buy also we can see, but on 18th November there was sell was somewhat higher than expected, might be because of option closing day. So this week we are expecting some consolidation in Nifty, or there might be a reversal. So this is a weekly monthly chart. So we can see like October sell was much higher than its previous month, but in November it is almost neutral. So hope you have enjoyed this video. So please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have any stocks to analyze, please put in comments. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.